Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class, and this is your math class. Today I am going to start chapter 6, factors and multiples. At first, start from the multiples. Now, introduction of multiples. Students, multiples of the number of the product when you multiply one number to the another. Like the multiples of 6. Multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. Like जैसे आप लोग टेबल लिखते हो 6 multiplied with the 1, 6 multiplied with the 2, and 6 multiplied with the 3, 6 multiplied with the 4, and so on. So from here we conclude that multiples of a number is infinite and start from the number itself. So many properties. Now students, start facts of the multiples. At first, every number is a multiple of itself and 1. किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीपल वो खुद का मल्टीपल और 1 का मल्टीपल हो सकता है. And we can never find the largest multiple of the number. Means multiples of the number are infinite. And the smallest multiple of the number is the number itself. Like we have to find out the multiple of 5. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and so on. Like this, the smallest multiple of the number is the number itself. Means number itself. Smallest number of the multiple is number itself. And now some more on facts of multiples. Student, listen. If we multiply even number with a even number, then result is even. Like pick any even number. 2 cross 4 is equals to 8. So 8 is the even number. And now second one is even multiplied with the odd. Result is even. Even multiple. Like 2 multiplied with the 3. Here 2 is the even number and 3 is the odd number. Result is 6. This is even number. And third one is odd multiplied with the odd. Multiple is odd. Multiple is odd. Pick any odd number. That is means 3 cross 5. Here 3 is the odd number and 5 is also the odd number. Result getting result 15. This is also the odd number. Students, this is the fact of multiples. Now students, common multiples. To find the common multiples, at first we have to write down the multiple of the given number. So let us we have to find out the common multiple of 3 and 6. So find out the common multiple of 3 and 6. We have to write down the multiple of 3 and multiple of 6 separately. So multiple of 3. And so on. And multiple of 6. And so on. Pick the common multiples. 6, 6, then 12, 12, 18, 18, 18, and so on. Common multiple. Common multiple is equals to 6, 12, and 18. And from this method, we can find out more common multiples of the given number. And now students, common multiples on the number line. Common multiples on the number line. So at first we have to draw number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, we have to find out the common multiple of 2 and 3. Common multiple of 2 and 3. At first, multiple of 2. On above, we have to show multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And on the below of the number line, we have to show multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So show it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Which one is common? Look here. 12 is common. And then 6 is common. So common multiple of common multiple of 2 and 3 is equals to 6 and 12 in the given number line. And now students, Let's start to solve exercise 6a. Here question first says, write the first three multiple of the following. We have to write down the first three multiple of 12. So that is 12, 24 and 36. First three multiple means 12 multiplied with the 1, 12, 12 multiplied with the 2, 24, and 12 is multiplied with the 3 is 36. And also multiple of 15. First three multiple, that is 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, and 15 3 ja 45. This is the first three multiple of 15. And now question number 3. Write the first 5 common multiple of the following pair of number. And number given is 6 and 3. So at first we have to write down the multiple of 6 and then write down the multiple of 3, and then we have to find out the common multiple. So multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 is equals to 54 and 60. We have to find the first 5 common multiples. And now multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 3 2 ja 6, 12, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Common multiple, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 30, and 36. So the first 5 common multiple is, so the first 5 common multiple of 3 and 6 are 3 and 6 are which one? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Okay, this is all about the multiples. This is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.